Welcome to the Ordinary Citizens Invest. So actually I'm going to talk about a particular investment that I think would be worthwhile to take right now in the immediate long short term, because this is a daily candle. So actually I also do trading on the side, and I noticed the breakout of big USD. This is not financial advice or any sort, just what I think you can maybe invest. So taking a look at this, right, this is actually a descending triangle, means it actually has a higher probability of breaking down. But right now you see that we have actually broken upwards. So the price target that we got from here was actually based on the descending triangle taken by, so just a rough estimate is what you're seeing over here. So it's actually about $5.90, but as a low risk taker, I'm on 5 times leverage, which means to say I will be liquidated if the price drops more than 20% from the price point I buy. So for $2.05, the liquidation price is $1.16. So be very careful of your trading, because it will increase the risk of you being liquidated, and we do not want that. So I will be liquidated if it breaks back into this triangle, which I see the probability is really very, very low at the moment. And aside from that, there is actually another thing that I want to say is that you should take profits along the way. So actually I'm invested about 1,000, so 5 times of that is about 5,000. So 5,000 USD in the trade. Gonna take some profits when it hit the before the resistance point of $3, and observe it. So once it breaks its previous high, I will take another profit at $4, and I will take $5 and actually stop trading on leverage and buy the big at the 1 times rate that I initially wanted to buy. So doesn't matter how high it go, I will still hold on to it. And since I want to delve into the fundamentals of the token itself as to why I actually decided to take on such a risk, because I do not like leverage trading at all because I think that there is a high probability of you losing money into the exchanges through funding fees. That's one. Through liquidation price, sometimes you just hold on to something and it drops to the lowest and it bounces back really quickly. So for example, look at this. If we were to buy it here and then it drops here, you have been long liquidated, even if you are very under leveraged, even if you are on a 2 times leverage. Okay, so that's why sometimes holding the coin is a better idea. And if you take a look at bakery swap, bakery swap is actually based on NFT, and these NFT are of great values these days. It's considered a new way to actually purchase art, to actually do art pieces on the blockchain, and it's a sort of a new technology, something people look forward to. So I think that people can actually sell their art pieces using baked tokens, so it could increase the demand of bakery swap, similar to Ethereum. So you will know that Ethereum is known for facilitating NFT transactions. So for that transaction itself, it actually sort of push Ethereum price up from 2,000 to 3-4,000. So I think that in the long run, not that I'm saying that bakery swap will become a few thousand, that's very unrealistic. So realistically speaking, because they have so many functions, and they have exchange where you can exchange your BNB to other tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. So you look at this, I have to connect a wallet in order to see what's going on here. So I have actually connected in another browser. So right now, the current staking that they can do is similar to I would say DeFi, which is decentralized finance, whereby they are basically letting you do yield farming, whereby you stake provide liquidity and then you get some sort of interest by earning big tokens. So I would say that all these are actually very good to bakery swap itself, because they can actually stake big to earn big. And yeah, so if you think about it, right, all the DeFi has actually crashed, and those that are standing are those that are really fundamentally strong, I would say. And right now, bakery token is at 158. There is some point in time whereby the ranking went really high, and I think it was about under like the top 100 lah. So in that case, we are looking at the when big was at roughly $8. Right now, it's definitely way more than a 50% discount. Is actually a 80% discount. So I think that right now this is the accumulation stage that all investors are talking about. So it will be decent to actually start investing or holding it. I wouldn't recommend you to do trading unless you are an experienced trader. So other than that, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.